Hello, I'm Lamar, your driving instructor. Today we're going to learn how to park at an angle. It's very easy if you know all the rules. Last time we talked about how to do forward parking. I leave the link in the description below this video. Subscribe to the channel and we'll get started. Please note, when choosing a starting position for parking, you should bear in mind that when the car is in forward motion, it is less maneuverable. Hence, it makes sense to stay away from the parking space. The farther away you are from the parking lot, the easier it will be to park. Okay, step 1. Find an available parking space. Step 2. Take the correct position on the road. The farther away from the parking space, the better. We will use the front bumper of the car for orientation. Slowly move forward until your front bumper aligns with the parking lot start line. Step 3. Be sure to turn on your right turn signal so that other drivers know what you will do next. Look in your side mirrors and make sure you are not in anyone's way or causing an accident. Turn the steering wheel all the way to the right and slowly start driving. Continue turning until the front of your car is in line with the cars next to you. Once your car is parallel to the other cars, align the wheels straight and continue straight ahead. Congratulations, you have successfully parked. Now practice on your own on unloaded sections of road.